How you doing? We're here on location with Kyle Parker here.
Hello.
I'm going to teach Kyle about an amoeba. That amoeba causes this thing called primary amyobic meningioencephalitis. Sounds serious. But for those that can't pronounce it like myself, it's known as PAM. It's caused by Naegleria fowleri. Yeah, it's an amoeba that attacks the central nervous system. It's found in warm natural bodies of water, which in the state of Florida, we're surrounded by warm natural bodies of water. Right? People like to go water skiing and stuff like that. So it enters the body through the nasal cavity, where it burrows into the mucosa, and then it travels to the brain, where it feeds off of brain tissue.
What's the mortality rate, Joe?
Well, the mortality rate is pretty serious. It's almost always fatal, and usually victims die within as little as a week. Yeah.
So any signs and symptoms to know that I'll have this?
Signs and symptoms, yeah. Initially, you'll have a severe frontal headache, and then you'll have a fever, maybe some nausea and some vomiting, stiff neck, seizures, ultramental status, hallucinations, and even coma. Yeah.
Has anyone ever survived this nasty disease?
That's a good question. Up until 2013, the previous 35 years, there was a 100% fatality rate in the United States. But in 2013, two cases, a 12-year-old girl and an 8-year-old boy were exposed to this. The 12-year-old girl had diagnosed within 30 hours and had an aggressive treatment within 36 hours. So she actually had a full recovery and went back to school. The 8-year-old boy, his story was a little different. He had treatment several days later, and he survived, but he had permanent brain damage.
What were the treatments for these?
The treatments can include investigative drugs, aggressive brain swelling management, and therapeutic hypothermia.
And what can I do for this not to happen?
Well, that's a good question. The lesson learned here is that you need to keep your head up above water when swimming in fresh, warm water. And if you don't, it may feel or look something like this.
I'm really good at work.
You didn't even get it wet. You got me wet.